When scientists tried to put a price tag on the entire universe, the result was shocking. Just the soil on Earth alone without buildings, cities, or industries is worth over $33 quadrillion. If we go by land prices set by owners, Earth's total land value's $5 quadrillion, and that's just one planet. So, what happens when we extend this calculation across the entire universe? The answer might break your brain. Welcome to EchoVerse. Our world is priceless. Every part of it, from the soil beneath our feet to the vast oceans, holds immense value. But have you ever wondered, what's the total worth of the entire universe? Let's start with something essential: water. Earth's 7 oceans hold 1.33 billion cubic kilometers of water. Now, imagine pouring all that water into drinking glasses, each holding 250 milliliters. That's a mind-blowing 5.33 quadrillion glasses of water. Now, what if we sold each glass for just 50 cents? That would give us a staggering $2.66 quadrillion just from Earth's water alone. In perspective, with that much money, you could buy 1,776,667 Burj Khalifas, the tallest skyscraper on Earth. That's almost 1.8 million of the world's most expensive buildings. And we're still only talking about Earth. What happens when we scale this up to the universe? Now let's talk about some reserves, not all. The total amount of gold mined throughout history is estimated at around 190,000 tons. If we were to melt it all down and spread it evenly across Earth's surface, it would form a wall 1 meter high that could wrap around the entire planet. If we sold this gold at today's price of about $60,000 per kilogram, the total value would be an astounding $11.4 trillion. Now diamonds, there are approximately 2.4 billion carats of diamonds that worth more than $5.2 trillion. With that height, we could form a Mount Everest of diamonds. Now we come to livestock. The all meat of Earth that comes from animals worth $330 billion a year. Fascinating, right? The meat that comes from fish worth $358 billion, and $10 billion from birds. But here is the thing: the total global GDP of $103 trillion and resources of Earth are $2.68 quadrillion, 25 times greater than world's GDP. It's important to note that these estimates are based on available data and methodologies, and actual values may vary. Now let's jump into a quick value exploration. Let's start with Mars, our neighbor. The surface area of Mars is about 145 million square kilometers. If we sell the soil of Mars at a price similar to Earth's average soil value, which is roughly $1 per kilogram for agricultural use, Mars soil, with its estimated mass, would be worth approximately $100 trillion. Similarly, Jupiter's diamond value exceeds a mind-blowing $10 million. Saturn, like Jupiter, it likely has diamond rain, potentially worth $10 Nonillion. Saturn, like Jupiter, it likely has diamond rain, potentially worth $10 Nonillion. Venus, its surface might contain valuable minerals worth $10 quadrillion. Pluto, frozen gases and exotic ices could be valued at around $5 trillion. If we talk about asteroids, it worths more than $1,000 quintillion. Impressive, right? Sagittarius, a single black hole, would be a staggering 7.24 into 10 power 22 dollars, based upon its size and its energy. And that's just one black hole. Imagine what we could calculate if we start considering all the stars, planets, and galaxies out there. The value of space itself, when we break it down like this, seems almost infinite. For those who don't know about money terms, so here's a clear info. A quintillion dollars is 1 followed by 18 zeros. To put it in perspective, 1 quintillion dollars equals $1 million trillion or $1 billion billion. This universe is overflowing with unimaginable wealth everywhere we look. There's value beyond measure. But in the end, none of it truly belongs to us. We live, we chase, we fight, and sometimes even destroy each other for it. Yet, when our time comes, we leave it all behind. So, be humble, be kind, because the real treasure is how we live, not what we own. Take care.